you have a very spacious kitchen area. This over here is your spacious living and dining area. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can eat. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Sky Leap in Rivalli Park 2 by CCI Projects located in Borivali, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. The actual land parcel is right behind these towers that you can see, and you can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. You can see Magathane metro station is right opposite to the project, bang on Western Express Highway. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 6 acres that will have total of 6 towers. And now speaking of tower Sky Leap, it will have 2 basement, ground plus 53 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also you have Jodi options available. Now talking about location and connectivity, as you can see we are at the actual location. Right behind me is Western Express Highway and Magathane metro station. This project is located on Western Express Highway near Magathane metro station, from where Magathane metro station is at a distance of 2 minutes. Borivali railway station is at a distance of 1.4 kilometers. Sky Mall is at a distance of 5 minutes drive, and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now speaking of amenities, this project has 25 plus luxurious amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, jogging track, banquet hall, multi-purpose court, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. Now we are entering your 2 BHK of the residential project Sky Leap in Rivalli Park 2. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 883 square feet. As we enter, you can see you have a spacious foyer area. To the right of the foyer area, you have space provided where you can customize your shoe rack. To the left, you have a very spacious kitchen area where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can see how spacious your kitchen is. You have space provided to place your washing machine and your refrigerator, and you can customize your kitchen totally as per your choice. As we move forward, this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You can see how spacious your living is. You can customize your TV unit, you can place your sofas and center tables, and attached to your living, you will be getting full French windows with a railing provided for your safety and beautiful standing balcony view. Over here, we have your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your family. Over here, we have the entrance to both your bedroom and your powder washroom. First, on this side, we have your powder washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings that can be utilized by your guest. Opposite to your powder washroom, we have your first bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king-size bed along with your side tables. You can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing your furniture. You will also be getting full French windows with a railing in this bedroom for your safety and a beautiful standing balcony look. And this over here is your wardrobe space. You can see you have enough depth to store everything that you need, and you can also build lofts if you wish to. And in this corner, we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. You can see how spacious your private washroom is. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Right next to your first bedroom is the entrance of your master bedroom. As we enter, you have a very spacious and large foyer area. To the right of the foyer area, you have space provided where can you design your wardrobe that will also give you a walk-in wardrobe feel. As we move forward, right at the end of the foyer space, you have the entrance to your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You have plenty of walkable space provided even after placing all your furniture, and also you have an extra wardrobe space provided that you can customize totally as per your choice. Not only that, this master bedrooms come with attached balcony that is very spacious. You can see how spacious this balcony is. You can easily place your tea tables, tea chairs and your swings. If you need to, you can design your balcony totally as per your choice. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Skyleap in Riverlea Park 2. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.